Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate how to download and install the VMware player. You can see I'm already at google.com in my Internet Explorer browser, and from here I need to navigate to VMware.com. You can do this from any browser, it does not need to be Internet Explorer. So I go to VMware.com and I highlight products and I scroll down to VMware Player and I click it. Once I'm on the VMware Player page, I can read about the product here and learn additional information, or I can just choose to download the product, which I'm going to do. So I've clicked on that button, and I'm already logged in. I have an account with VMware, and it remembered me from my last visit. If you do not have an account, you need to simply give VMware your first name, last name, and email address, and you'll be able to continue at that point in time. This is a free download, so don't worry about giving them your information. So I'm at a VMware Player free product download screen, and I want VMware Player 3.1 for Windows. So I am going to manually download the product. I would like to save the file, and I want to be very careful about where I save the file so I can locate it easily. This is my computer name, BK Lab, and it's in the Downloads folder, and it wants to go to a VMware folder. I don't want to do that. I want to put it in my Documents, and put it in My Documents, and from here I want to create a new folder called VMware. The reason I'm changing this is so I can easily locate these files when the download is complete. So I'm going to go ahead and save this product and let it download for, looks like 3 minutes. Great, the download is done. So I'll close the download manager, and I'm going to minimize my web browser, and I'm going to navigate to the folder where I saved my installation files. So there's my VMware folder, and there's my installation file for the VMware Player. So I'm going to double click on VMware Player, and now Windows 7 is asking me, do you want to allow the following program to make changes to this computer? And why, yes I do. So I'm going to click the yes button, and now I'm underway with the installation. So I get a wizard that comes up, and the installation wizard will install VMware Player on your computer. To continue, click Next. That's a great idea. Let's click Next. Now it's asking me where I'd like to install the VMware Player. I'm going to leave it in the default location, although I could move it by clicking the Change button. I'm going to leave it right there and then click Next. And I don't want to check for product updates on startup, so I've unchecked that box, and then I'm going to click Next. You may want to. I'm just running short on time today. So I don't want to send anonymous system data and usage stats to VMware, so I've unchecked that, and I'm going to click Next. I do want desktop shortcuts and start menu shortcuts, and I don't want a quick launch toolbar, so I've unchecked that. Then I click on Next and continue to begin the installation process. And we're going through the installation series right now. Great, the setup wizard is complete, and now I need to restart my computer to continue on with the installation. So I'm going to click on Restart Now, and then we'll catch back up with you after a reboot. Welcome back. We've just rebooted our computer, and the VMware Player product installation is complete. To test it out, I've got an icon on my desktop called VMware Player. I'm going to double click it. The first time I launch, I need to agree to their license agreement. So you should read through this from start to finish, and if you agree with the terms, click on Yes, I accept the terms in the license agreement, and click OK to continue on. And welcome to VMware Player. We have successfully downloaded and installed the VMware Player product. And this concludes the presentation on how to download and install VMware product. Good luck. I hope you do this on your own and pick up with the next series on how to install Windows 7 inside of VMware Player. Thanks for watching. This is BrickHouseLabs.com.